Hey guys, you guys own a property with brick walls, windows, water intruding, causing damage to the walls or the ceilings? Stay tuned, we're going to show you exactly how to pinpoint those leaks. So this is the outside where my team is right now. They're inside getting the smoke machine and the UV smoke containment set to go. But as you can see here, you've got windows and lots of brick. And so to be able to pinpoint this, we'll go up the ladder here. As you can see, there's some small cracks. But with leak detection and water intrusion, you can't make any assumptions. You really have to pinpoint the exact breach. And the only way to do that is to start at the lowest point. So wherever the damage is, you want to start directly above that and then work your way up. Even if it means to go up all the way to the roof. All right, we're going to show you the next step. All right, so we're going to go ahead and inject our UV non-toxic smoke. Go ahead and go outside and yeah, let's start. We'll check on the outside now. Okay, we're starting to get some smoke in that area.
And to the right.
As you can see, the breach is already...
Jimmy, look to your right there. Down here.
So we already know that there's a breach here in the brick. And another breach. All right, guys, hopefully this was helpful. As always, thanks for watching.